This is our DIY pool part 7. This is where we started and this is where we're at. In my last video, I talked all about the concrete floor that I did with Poolcrete, which is a softer concrete. That's why no rebar is used. If you use rebar, it'll come through and puncture the liner. This time I'll be inserting the liner. So first I need to silicone on the gaskets that will go around the skimmer and the light panels. Then I called in some reinforcements to help me stretch this vinyl liner into place. I have really good neighbors. This vinyl reminds me of a slip and slide when it gets really warm. It starts to stretch out and the weight of the water will push it up against the walls. Typically you backfill first and then you can use a shop vac to suck the vinyl liner to the walls, but the city wanted us to wait. I finally got the light panel installed and I was scared to death to cut the vinyl around this light panel, but we got it. The electrician came, he's hooking us all up to the main line, and I just need to cut out the rest of the ports and add grounding wire around all the pool walls. Then we backfill and move on to the deck.